The ninth most traded commodity in the world. It holds a unique place, often considered both a precious metal and an industrial metal. Today, we take a look at silver. In this video, we will go through its price movement, importance of this metal, and of course, we'll look at it from a trading perspective. Do we need to add silver to our investment portfolio, and which silver mining companies are the best now to invest in? What are the most promising stocks? Silver is widely used in various industrial sectors. It is an excellent conductor of electricity and heat, making it valuable in electronics, including circuit boards, batteries, and solar panels. It is also used in automotive components, mirrors, and catalysts in chemical processes. Silver tends to have a higher level of price volatility due to its smaller market size and industrial demand factors. Today, silver is trading at $22.68 per ounce. You can see on this chart how this price was performing over the recent years. Over the past decade, the price of silver has shown significant fluctuations. In 2011, silver reached an all-time high of around $49 per ounce, driven by increasing investor demand and economic uncertainty. Following that, the price experienced a correction and entered a period of volatility. From 2012 to 2015, the price of silver gradually declined, reaching a low of around $14 per ounce in late 2015. This downward trend was influenced by factors such as a stronger US dollar, global economic slowdown, and reduced investor interest. Starting from 2016, silver began to recover, experiencing periods of both upward and downward movements. It reached a peak of around $20 per ounce in 2016 and 2017 before experiencing some pullbacks. Throughout this period, the price of silver was influenced by factors such as geopolitical tensions, monetary policy decisions, and fluctuations in industrial demand. In recent years, the price of silver has shown resilience and maintained a range between $15 and $25 per ounce. However, it is important to note that these price trends are subject to change based on various market factors. Industrial applications. Silver is widely used in various industrial sectors. It is an excellent conductor of electricity and heat, making it valuable in electronics, including circuit boards, batteries, and solar panels. It is also used in automotive components, mirrors, and catalysts in chemical processes. Jewelry and silverware. Photography. Also, digital photography has reduced the demand for silver in this sector. Silver compounds were traditionally used in photographic film and paper. However, the rise of digital technology has significantly impacted the demand in this area. Medical and healthcare. Silver possesses antimicrobial properties which make it valuable in medical applications. The largest silver producing countries are Mexico with its 6,300 metric tons, China, Peru, Chile, Australia, Poland, Bolivia, and Russia. Now let's dive in the list of largest silver mining companies globally based on market capitalization and its stock prices. As of June 2023, Canada-based Wheaton Precious Metals has a market cap of around $19.5 billion and its stock is traded at almost $43. A second largest company per market cap is based in the US, Royal Gold. Market cap is $7.39 billion and the stock price is at $112. The third place stays with Mexican Fresnillo with a market cap of almost $6 billion and the stock is traded at almost $8. Canadian Pan American Silver took fourth place, traded at $14.37 and its market cap of $5.23 billion. Merdeka Copper Gold Company is based in Indonesia with its market cap of almost $5 billion and a stock price of 20 cents. In this series, a lot of being said about Osisko Gold Royalties based in Canada, the market cap of $2.79 billion and stock price of over $15.12 US. If you are interested in investing in commodities, stocks, crypto, indices or bonds, you should definitely try Dukascopy. You can invest with just one click starting from $1 US. Sounds good, right? Simply scan this QR code or check the link in the description below to get started. Fill out the form and then make a video call with a Dukascopy operator. That's all you need to do to open your Dukascopy bank account. Your Swiss bank account with Dukascopy will be ready to use the same day. You can also purchase silver using our platform. Let's move on. Now it's time for your favorite part, What are the best silver companies to add to your portfolio, and do we need to invest in silver? Silver should be owned by everybody, as it is essential in storing wealth and making sure you preserve your purchasing power in bad times. But silver is the metal of choice for the renewable energy, e-mobility and solar. The Silver Institute expects 2023 another large deficit for silver amounting to 142 million ounces or 4,419 tons. While down significantly from last year's figure of 238 million ounces, this is the second largest deficit in more than 20 years. Adding up the supply shortfalls of 2021 to 2023, global silver inventories by the end of this year will have fallen by 430.9 million ounces or 13,403 tons from their end 2020 peak. To put this into perspective, it is equivalent to more than half of annual mine production and also more than half of the inventories held in London vaults offering custodian services as reported by the LBMA. The silver availability is shrinking rapidly, but not many notice that. Without silver, no one solar cell or car will be built. We think silver is in the forefront of a sharp rise in 2024. When the chart breaks through the $32 per ounce, then the next price target will be fast $36 and then $44 per ounce silver. Silver miner Max Silver has now reached commercial production in Mexico and ramps up to full capacity. We estimate production this year at probably plus 13 million ounces silver equivalent, and from 2024 onwards, we expect this to rise to plus 25 million ounces silver equivalent per year. Another great company is Discovery Silver, developing the largest silver project in the world, also in Mexico. This future top producer shall produce then in 3 to 4 years 33 million ounces silver equivalent, would be under the top 3 primary silver producers with projected AISC of $12.80 per ounce silver equivalent in years 1 to 12, with an 18-year mine life from start, with might be massively prolonged. Another fantastic, unusual silver producer is Osisko Gold Royalty. Through their silver streaming models they run. With an almost $3 billion market cap today, they work with a cash margin of 93%, pay quarterly dividends, and do a great job. In Q1 2023, they produced over 5 million ounces silver, making them a plus 20 million ounce silver producer in 2023. Last but not least, we favorize Sierra Madre Gold and Silver, which will bring back in production the La Guitarra mine also in Mexico. They did a deal with First Majestic Silver, making them a 47% shareholder in the company when they bought La Guitarra from them. We see Sierra Madre Gold and Silver as too cheap and think they could be by 2025 in production for approximately plus 2 million ounces silver equivalent per year, with a rising production profile. Silver is a great metal and in deficit. Make sure you are invested before the market takes off. I'm Jochen Staiger, Swiss Resource Capital AG in partnership with Dukascopy TV. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.